Slalom means one of the challenges is going fast down a hill while skiing. To do so while following a route that zigs and zags through the landscape is a whole different matter. One of the events that can be competed in during alpine skiing is the slalom. The objective of each skier is to make it through a series of gates, which are pairs of poles spaced between 4 and 6 meters, 13 and 19 feet, apart. The winner of the competition is the skier who completes 2 courses in the least amount of time overall. The word slalom originates from the Norwegian language and refers to a sloping track. In the 1936 Olympic Games, held in Garmisch-Partenkirchen, Germany, the slalom was a component of the combined alpine skiing event. However, it did not become its own competition until the 1948 Olympic Games, held in St. Moritz, Switzerland. Today's slalom has the shortest course and the fastest turns, and the vertical descent on the course spans between around 600 and 720 feet for men, and 450 and 600 feet for women in the standalone events. Slalom has the distinction of having the fastest turns. In descending order of length, they are as follows. 1. The Super G. 2. Giant Slalom. 3. Slalom.